yard is a mess. Odin! Go on the ball. Go on. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Come here. Are you guys dog people or cat people? Or the rare occasion, dog and cat people? What do you think, Odin? Huh? Yeah, I think we need to get in the shop too. I'm a dog person, for sure. I like cats, but I don't like to own cats. I like other people's cats at their house, away from me. So when I first got into woodworking, I'm sure like most of you, I ruined a lot of my clothes. A lot of shirts, a lot of jeans, a lot of hats, all just got ruined. And that's just the nature of it. When you get stuff on your hands, if you're not smart like me and you wear gloves, or even if you are smart like me and you wear gloves, you wipe your hands on things. I think that's just the nature of boys. So naturally, my wife made a rule where I was only allowed to wear one pair of clothes in the shop, and that was it. And since I'm in Idaho, it's cold here, I chose a sweater and an old pair of jeans. And it's actually worked out really well. I don't have to worry about getting dirty or anything. I come out, I put on my clothes, I go back in, I take them off, and I don't have to worry about ruining my nice clothes. So if you guys don't have workshop clothes, I would suggest getting them. So the state of the shop is about the same as I left it. It's pretty clean, but like I said before, I've just been working on this tabletop. This is the one that I have not sanded. This is the one that I have sanded. You can tell there's still some material left on there. I don't really know what it is because the client used so many different finishes, but it's taken a good while to sand it all off. Makes me want to buy a belt sander. The top they wanted darker, so I was able to get some black on there, and I think it came out looking pretty good. That's all dry. I've got to put finish on there, but I think it'll look good. If there's anything I've learned from doing refinishing jobs, it's probably two things. The first one, always make sure that you sand it down to the bare wood. This is oak. If I don't sand it down till I can feel and smell oak, then I know I haven't sanded enough. Number two, you are going to sand a lot. And if refinishing is something that you really want to get into, buy a belt sander because it will seriously save you so much time. All I have is this orbital sander. It does the job. I'm not saying it's not good, but I would have already had all of this done in 1 day's work instead of 2 days work. And number three, don't take refinishing jobs. No, I'm just kidding. Take whatever jobs you want. I mean, if you're in it to make money, refinishing jobs are a really great way to make money. The project's already built. All you have to worry about is getting it clean and getting it the way the client wants it. To me, it's almost like easy money if you don't mind refinishing. I mean, to me, refinishing, I guess here's how I see it. I would rather build something and create something of my own than finish something somebody else has already built. And with that mindset that I have, that's the only reason I take refinishing jobs. It's for the money. I don't do it because I enjoy it. I do it because someone wants to pay me to do it. And that's fine with me. If they want to pay me to refinish a table like this, I'll do it. If I have the time, and honestly, if I'm a little desperate for money, which right now I am. So, if you like refinishing, great. That's awesome. Literally, I see nothing wrong with that. I don't blame you for liking refinishing. Man, I'm making this sound awful. That's not at all my intentions, honestly. I don't like refinishing. That's really what this whole thing boils down to. I'm sorry, I don't. If you do, again, 2 thumbs up, that's awesome. Keep doing it. And I think that refinishing is a really great way to practice, to learn about finishes and things like that. But I avoid it. Whenever people come to me for a refinish job, I always charge them more, just because I don't like to do it. Anyways, now that I have crapped all over refinishing, sorry, it's something in my brain, and I guess now that's something you guys know about me, which is part of the reason that I wanted to do this whole vlog tea time kind of a thing, is just so that I can get my personality out so you guys know me. Anyways, now that I've officially pooped all over refinishing, I guess it's time to get back to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be good, be safe, and be happy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.